everyone? Art Morrison III here.
Kate McCready.
Welcome to another episode of The Daily Dollar, where we talk about dollars daily. Just kidding. Real estate podcast for your two favorite podcast hosts. So it's the last episode of the week. I didn't ask you once, how are you?
Yeah, it's a pretty standard procedure.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
All right, let's jump right into this one. Let's not waste any time.
Okay.
Question of the day. This is my favorite. This is one of those questions that this is one of those questions we get on Instagram where when I get this question, I already know that this person, and I always sound mean on this podcast, so don't let Kate make it seem like I'm mean or anything. But you already know that this person is overthinking, overcomplicating being a real estate investor, likely procrastinating to become an investor. The question is, and they're gonna be like, he's super mean. This is a real basic question, but it's like not. Like it's, where is real estate a good investment?
Like location?
Yeah, like where is real estate? I mean, I guess location.
Okay.
So it's a good question, but it's like, bro, if you don't just buy houses in your area, just get started. Everywhere real estate is a good investment.
That's such an easy question to answer.
Episode's done. See you guys on the next one. Just kidding. What? No, but where is real estate a good investment? Like, what would your answer be?
There's a good strategy for almost every location. So depending on your location, figure out what that strategy is, whether it's multifamily, long-term rentals, Airbnbs, fix and flips, whatever it is. Figure out what that is, do your market research, and hone in on that if you want to stay local to where you are.
Yeah, like the real easy answer is everywhere real estate is a good investment. It's a matter of what strategy, or what we talk about on every episode, somehow we go down the rabbit hole of the benefits of real estate. We talk about the tax advantages, we talk about
the whole podcast.
Cash flow. Yeah, the podcast should be the benefits of real estate. Tax advantages, cash flow, equity and appreciation, and then obviously power and control. Power and control means like choice. I can live in it. I can rent it. I can Airbnb it. I could do student housing, traveling nurses. Like you could have a niche for any real estate asset. Cash flow. How much money do you make after you pay your expenses? Airbnb is a great cash flow tool. VRBO, great cash flow tool. Obviously multifamilies and rooming houses, cash flow. Even single family homes can cash flow. You just charge more than your mortgage for rent. Now, that area has to be friendly to charging rents to that amount, right? Some areas, the opposite. Some areas, the mortgages and the rents are about the same because it's such a hot area and you're gonna have a high mortgage because you're paying for location. It all depends on your deal evaluation and what strategy you're interested in. But if you're someone who's not investing and you wanna start investing, the easiest way and the best way for you to learn is just invest right where you are. Invest where you are. There's areas that are difficult to invest. New York, LA. That doesn't necessarily mean that they're bad investments. I know New York and LA are more popular for Airbnb though. I know that they are, and I'm saying New York, LA, meaning like greater, like surrounding areas, not just that city, but that whole metro area. But point being is, it depends on your market research. Even multifamilies are good in that area, but they're very expensive. So maybe you need to partner. You just want to find out how you can invest in your area. If you can turn where you live into a good investment, if you can turn like the area that you live in into a good area to invest in real estate, odds are you can turn anywhere in the country into a good investment. You can invest anywhere in the country if you can just say, I'm gonna invest right here in this town or in this county. If you have that skill to learn and find out what works in your area and then actually make it work, then you can do that anywhere. That's literally what we did. We said, I'm in my hometown of Somerville, New Jersey. We bought properties in every town that touches Somerville. We bought property in Bridgewater, Somerville, Manville, Middlesex, Bound Brook, everywhere in that area, whether it was rentals, flips, we've done every strategy that we thought was good for that area. Almost did Airbnb, but realized, nah, that's not it. Definitely. We did a lot of research, right? For anyone who doesn't know where my hometown is from, it's like an hour from the city, 30, 35 minutes from any major city at all. And when I say the city, I mean New York. So an hour from New York, 30, 35 minutes from major cities, just to give context. So it's not an area that, like, if you pulled up a map, I'm definitely not out of the whole country saying that area right there, I'm buying there.
For sure not.
No one would really,
Yeah.
like no one would anticipate. We've made a lot, we've made literally millions of dollars of investments in that area.
Yeah.
So we were successful at it. We still invested to this day, but we took that information and that confidence and said, yeah, we can make money in this C market, maybe now a B market because it's gotten a little better. Then why can't we go to St. Petersburg or Tampa and make money? Charlotte and make money, Atlanta and make money, right? Some of these areas that we know are gonna grow. We know people are going there, right? We know people are going to work there. So I hope that answers that question. Do you have anything to add to that?
No, not really.
Where would you recommend a beginner invest, if not where they live?
Oh, right here, where we are.
Right here, Florida? Why are you whispering?
Oh, sorry.
Speak up.
You just blew their speakers
Go
out. Yeah, where we are in the Tampa Bay area or surrounding areas.
Tampa Bay is huge. Honestly,
Surrounding areas, I would say more so at this point because it's starting to get a little saturated. But
yeah, but like that's relative. We come from up north.
Right, yeah.
Like you can buy a duplex 5 minutes outside of downtown Tampa for still $125,000 per door. Right, so $250,000.
Yeah.
You can't do that almost anywhere in all of New Jersey. You can't buy a two-family for less than $300,000, right? So this area still has some growth, but how do we find this area? Yeah, we visit, so travel. That'll really tell you as you learn new cities, that'll tell you like, yo, this place feels like a good investment. It feels like if I buy something here now, I'm not gonna regret it in 20 years. But what else did we do? How do we know
we
that?
followed Tom Brady.
Okay, besides that,
Oh,
seriously, what do we do to find this area? What do we do to find anything?
looked it up.
Google. Literally type that question in Google.
Yeah, it's been Tampa and St. Pete have been at the top of the real estate charts for, I don't know,
Quite a
all 4
while.
years that we were looking
Yeah,
into
Tennessee,
to come
a
in
couple
here.
cities in Tennessee,
Yeah.
a couple Texas cities. Like it's very obvious. Now, that was like a year or two ago. Now it's more so Midwest. Everyone's talking about the Midwest right now. So just look up where, but as you can see, it changes with the times. So you don't like want to be a chaser investor where like you're always investing wherever the market shifts to. You want to learn how to make money anywhere. And that's really the answer to my question. And then also you don't want location to hold you back from getting started. Go ahead and get started. If they want to get started, where can they go?
UnitedHomeRelief.com.
Why are you asking? Tell them.
I told them.
You asked me.
UnitedHomeRelief.com.
Cool. www.
UnitedHomeRelief.com.
Yeah, visit UnitedHomeRelief.com. That's our website. All the information up there is going to explain to you exactly what it is that we do besides podcasts. We're not full-time podcasters. We are full-time real estate investors, but we have some really cool programs that allow you to not only partner with us, but also learn from us in a mastermind group of over 300 people. So if that's something that interests you, visit that website, submit a form, an application or something. Might be even a little freebie there for you. But more importantly than that, well, not more importantly, because that makes us money, if I'm honest. But less importantly than that, like, share, subscribe to this podcast, YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify. We love the support. We love giving gems to you all on a daily basis, 4 times a week. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram at United Home Relief. You can follow me personally on Instagram at Art Morrison III. That's Art Morrison III.
You can follow me at Hi Kate McCready.
Hi, like,
No.
well, you got to clarify.
Hi. No, not hi. Hi, like hello, like H-I, Kate
H.I.
McCready.
Cool, at H.I. Kate McCready, CAITMCCREADY. Mick.
Ready. No, Mick Ready.
There's only one C in your name?
No, it's MCC.
Okay, so it's Mick Creddy.
Oh, God. Your mom did spell it like that yesterday, though.
With one C?
Yeah.
Oh, Mom. Anyway, guys, thanks for, Mom, if you're listening, come on, you fumble in the bag. Listen, everyone, thanks for tuning in. That is episode 8 of season 2 of this podcast. I think we're like episode 40 something overall.
Yeah.
So thanks for tapping in. We'll catch you guys next week. Peace.